Hello guys, so I'm back with problem of the day from TensorTonic. So today's problem is pretty simple. You can see it's a easy category. So what we need to do is we need to get the Bernoulli probability mass function and moments. And moments are basically like mean and like basically variance of this probability mass function. So it's pretty easy. Like the formula has been given. Okay. So if you see the input, what we have to do is uh, given these samples, we have to return the PMF, which is basically for each of the sample, the probability uh, of that sample. Okay, we also have been given the probability of one. So in Bernoulli, we have two outcomes, either 0 or 1. Okay, so it's like a single coin toss, right? So you can see for this Bernoulli trial of coin toss, we have a probability of 1 of 0.5, probability of 0 of 0.5. Okay, and this is the fair case, right? And if there is a biased case, okay, we will see the mass distribution changing. Okay, so let's be fair. So yeah, 0.5 to 0.5. Okay, so yeah, things are pretty simple. So we have been given the probability of success, which is like for this example 0.3. So we just have to replace wherever 1 we have with this probability to get the PMF. Okay, and wherever we are getting 0, we just have to replace it with 1 minus of this probability. So 0.3 becomes 0.7 here. Okay, and mean of a Bernoulli distribution is pretty simple. It's the probability um, it's the probability value itself, or the probability of success. Okay, for variance is basically the product of the two probabilities, like probability of success times probability of getting failure. So p times 1 minus p. Okay, so yeah, here probability of success is 0.3 and probability of failure is 0.7. So if we multiply that, it will be 0.21. So yeah, things are simple here. So I'll just implement what the question has asked. Okay, so first thing first, I will convert this x to a NumPy array. So this has been given as a list. Okay, once I convert this into a NumPy array, then what I need to do is I will calculate PMF, which is pretty easy. I will use NumPy where, and I will say wherever x is 1, just replace that with p, otherwise replace that with 1 minus p. Okay, so with that we will get PMF, and then we have to return the moments are basically mean and variance. So for mean, I will simply return p, and for variance I will return p times 1 minus p. So yeah, if I run this, all test case pass. Cool. Now I'm submitting, and voila, all test case pass. Cool. So this was today's problem, and it was pretty easy. Cool. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to the channel and put a like to this video, and you can write down comments if you have any doubts. I'll be happy to answer your questions. So just stay tuned to watch more videos on TensorTonic. So yeah, cool. Bye bye.